Hello, how the heck are you? World Wide Web, loyal subscribers. Guys, this is me, Bruno Bennett. I'm back for another digital marketing mastery or unmastery YouTube video. Hey guys, what's going on? In today's video, guys, we're gonna continue, just talking about digital marketing, affiliate marketing, all that cool stuff. Because we know as digital marketers, we can make money working from home. All we need is a great product, a great service to sell, and or a digital product or service that you actually create your own self, right? So today I want to talk particularly to or about all of my login start page ad advertisers, all of my safe list advertisers, all of my traffic exchange advertisers, and even solo ad in some instances, and mailers, okay? Because all of those platforms, guys, let's just get this straight. All of those platforms are great platforms to advertise. 99% of all the people inside of those platforms, the safe list, the traffic exchange, the mailers, the emailers, we can email these databases. Those people are already part of affiliate marketing, digital marketing, MLM, network marketing. They're in the business, right? So on the one hand, they are great prospects for your particular product and service. On the other hand, guys, they actually conflict, right? Well, let me put it this way. The biggest mistake that I made when I first got started as an internet marketer, and I went to places like traffic exchanges and safe lists and mailers and all that, was just trying to mail my particular affiliate offer out to those databases, even with the login ads, right? Just trying to pitch my primary, right? But most marketers, they do that, right? Especially in the beginning, they try to sell, right, on those platforms, and you can sell on those platforms. I just did it about a couple of weeks ago. I mean, right from the gate, I was able to make over $600 with a VSL that I plugged into these types of platforms, right? But the reality is, right, these people, they're not really looking for another business opportunity for the most part, right? They're competitors, right? They're collaborators. A lot of them are testers, right? And so trying to pitch them really is like trying to sell a chef a cookbook, right? Because they already are in the industry. They already probably have a biz op. So, they're not going to be so crazy about another biz op unless it's something super, super, super cool. And it could be. And it could be another income stream. But why not flip the script altogether, guys? And let's give these safe lists, these traffic exchanges, these login ad advertisers, right? These email mailer advertisers, let's give them something where they can use to boost their existing business, right? Something they can use to promote more of what they're promoting and really cater to that database of traffic exchangers, safe listers, login, start page ad people, because they're in the platforms. But let's give them something they can really use, and you'll get better results. You'll better create a better relationship with them, right? Because now we want to give people what they need. We want to become the problem solvers for the problem solvers inside of this mass umbrella, right? Digital marketing, right? Making money work from home online. So let's figure out new and creative ways to share that kind of knowledge with people so that they can grow their businesses better, guys. This really leads me into my actual video for today, guys. And it's about how to train your affiliate marketing funnel. How to train your affiliate marketing funnel, right? Get more bang for your buck inside of safe lists, mailers, traffic exchanges, and login ads, right? And the reason why is because it's not going to be in conflict with what it is you're already marketing and promoting, right? It can only enhance what it is you're already doing, believe it or not, right? So when you guys come through and you guys, just follow through this process, you're going to be able to use this exact same funnel, right, Even this bonus funnel, right, I'm building out for all my action takers. There's already a funnel inside of the funnel that you guys can pick up absolutely free. But when you guys come into one of my proprietary systems inside of the system, you'll see what I'm talking about, guys. I will actually create this page for you as well, right? To get outside of the marketing for an actual bridge page that your prospects can come to even before they get to the funnel. And you'll have access to all of the stuff, right? Now, let me tell you what else you're going to have instant access to. You're going to have instant access to your own funnel list builder. If you guys don't already have one, you're going to be able to access one. It's known as Leads Leap. You're going to be able to pick it up absolutely free. And this is how you're going to replicate that funnel. But you're also going to have a free link rotator or URL link rotator. And what that does is what propels the actual Tripwired funnels, right? Because you can use this URL link rotator not only to track where your traffic's coming from, but you can also use it to put them inside of the links inside of your funnel so that you can promote multiple affiliate offers. You can build multiple email subscribers lists, right? You can, that link rotator is going to come in handy for a lot of different things. You can use them in your email broadcast, your follow-up email sequences, right? So you're going to have that as well. This is what brings the funnel together. And believe me, you can put it all together, right? If you're taking your time in less than 45 minutes, right? You know how I do things, guys. I can do this now in my sleep in about 90 seconds. Okay. So anyway, look, now that we have that, we have the free list funnel builder. We have the free URL link rotator. I'm also, guys, going to supercharge the entire funnel, and I'm going to add in this piece of a puzzle. It's going to be 2 bonus pieces, but this third piece is the Rolodex. It's the login ad blaster Rolodex. You guys could just go in and run login ads all day and all night. And when you're mailing to, when you're advertising inside these safelist mailers, the traffic exchanges, this is the type of thing you want to be doing. And so you'll have that Rolodex. But more, what's really making this really, really cool is the fact that I'm going to give you guys it's a bonus funnel inside of that funnel. And inside of that funnel, you'll continue to be able to advertise. Listen really, really close to this. You'll be able to advertise these funnels, this entire funnel, right? Perpetuate that advertising, right? Through people coming into our funnel. And then guess what, guys? Whether or not anybody joins you in the funnel or not, right? You can still make money with the way that super bonus is tied into this entire funnel. So now you're really, really, really flying really, really under the radar, but really way above the radar as well when it comes to advertising inside of traffic exchanges, safelist, even login, start page ads. This is what we want. We want to be able to attract more people, right? And we don't want to try to sell them something that they already have. As a matter of fact, guys, what I would say is, there's no pressure. It's just value, right? And so what we want to make sure that we're doing is we're at the end of the day, we're gonna be problem solvers. Okay, we want to build better relationships with these people because there's a plethora of them coming through, right? So we don't want to sell to our potential prospects and potential customer service and teammates. We want to serve them. Okay, if that makes sense. We don't want to sell them. We want to serve them. So if that makes sense, guys, go ahead go through this entire funnel. Make sure that you understand exactly how it works. That funnel, this funnel absolutely free. Right? When you guys join in any of the proprietary, that's an upgrade in anything coming through this funnel. Then, guys, you get this page as well. Okay, you will actually be able to pick up this page as well, and this page will be coded and loaded with anything and everything, or however you want your particular funnel configured. I will configure it that way and shoot you out your very own custom coded, replicated page of this site. And by the way, it's not finished, right? It's only going to get better, guys. Okay. Thanks so much for sitting in. I appreciate you guys so very, very much, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Happy summer. Let's make some things happen.